Subject, Bad Boy and Bad Girl. Dahuang Bad Boy and Bad Girl na ito na maski ibang bad boys ay nagugulat sa badness nila.
We're bad! We're really, really bad!
Ang kwento, gumora sa isang party ng mga bad boys and girls itong dalawang subjects natin.
Party! Woo! Dictionary! Gumora, meaning to make Gora, or in short, go, as in they made, punta, Gumora, bow!
Anyways, doon sa party, may bad person na nag-offer sa dalawa to join smoking Sami pinagbabawal na substance. Pasa-pasa sila nung una, pero maya-maya, na-etsa pera na yung nag-invite at si bad boy at bad girl ang tumapos ng lahat at inubusan ang nag-invite sa kanila na humiwalay na lang na nagkokomentong,
Gravity is too artistic, ha? Sugapation?
ano rating nyo sa dalawang ito?
As in, Adi!
Dahuang bad boy at bad girl na ito, si bad girl kilalang bad girl at si bad boy ay... Well, hindi masyadong kilala pero super shogo pa rin natin sila sa name song na Tina Gutierrez at Uranus Abraham. Yun na! Subject, Boylet Hot Tea. Dahuang boylet na ito na hot ngayon ang career to go with his hot looks.
Hot.
Dati ng hot ang looks ni Boylet, pero chifanga hot. Ngayon, mamahaling hot na dahil sa powerful Becky Padrino niya na nirepackage siya. Alam kaya ni Becky na maski mukhang freshness itong si Boylet ay bilasan na ito sa dami ng naka-encounter kuning-kuning ni Boylet?
The Dictionary, encounter kuning-kuning, meaning active interaction of the, for adults, only nature. Encounter kuning-kuning ba?
Ang kwento, super bagets pa lang si Boylet. Sanay na itong pinipilahan ng mga Becky. From the neighborhood para sa kanyang gupit. To reporters nung umi-extra pa siya. Gay manager nung nagkapangalan na. To gay director nung makitang may acting ability siya. And now, Becky executive para maging big star siya.
At least from Chipanga Becky to Shala Becky. Lume-level up na mi.
Ano ang rating nyo kay Boylet Hati?
Toilet is so rated X! As in, manga X! Manga garment extraordinaire!
Dahu si Boylet Hati, hanapin nyo sa bote ng latik ang namesong niya dahil super shogo namin siya sa namesong na Maximilian Contreras. Yun na!
Rampa! Double dating back!
Sa back-to-back fashion tea as tea goes to NTRCB Awards Night. Sa back-to-back fashion tea as tea goes to NTRCB Awards Night.
At sa Pinoy inauguration for...
Tea, the Take Backs Authority!
With the MTRCB Awards, Chairman LaGuardia says goodbye with a bonggang-bonggang bang, and she has the red dress to match. Ninang sa kasal, she definitely is not.
Pero pwede niyang escort si Tito Butch Francisco in a beige suit cut to say, "Look oh, may baywang ako under this suit."
Councilor Alfred Vargas was there na medyo slightly chubileto pa, pero choosy pa ba ako? Hindi, kuko na yan. Pa-picture magnet naman sina Bubble Paraiso in a red strapless gown at TJ Trinidad in a tieless suit.
Diva Montelava was a goddess-like vision sa kanyang dress.
Akala ko si Julie na magdagal tumangkad lang. Pero kinabog ulit siya ni Sara Labati, who was the star of the night in her black strapless gown na aside from the tiara headband ay very nude. Clean at fresh in look.
Pero sa totoo lang, kain ng alikabok lahat sa suot na terno ni Mother Lily. Yan ang pang-star of the night. Uy nga pala, Mother, kung gagawa ka ng movie, maluwag sked ko.
Sa boy sides, trabaho mo si Steven Silva na kinakarirang pagkakabisa ng spills niya?
Malamang kasi Tagalog.
Working mode rin ng suot na parang galing lang sa office at gusto nang mag-relax. Pero look at me, I'm gwapo naman ang statement ng white vest over purple shirt ni Rocco Nacino.
While ang simple black suit and white shirt ni Enzo Pineda accentuated his height.
Pero kasabay na win ni Sara bilang male star of the night, ang nakuhudi na si Jake Vargas. Sino yung nag-escort kay Sara paakyat ng stage?
Si Jake na yan.
Wala akong sasabihin. Yun na! Huwag kang maingay. Baka isumbong ka kay Bella Flores, ang original na umapi kay Trudy Sligit.
Princess!
Andyan na po! Try na tayo sa inauguration day ni Pinay at ni Binay.
Siyempre pa, bihis-bihisan lahat. There are events and there are events. At mga mare, this is definitely an event.
Super tambay ang T-Crew sa Manila Hotel to Starwatch. Augie was there in a simple baroque kasama si Regine Velasquez wearing a beautiful vintage-style floral terno. Colorful yet stately.
Pinya kung pinya naman ang statement ni na Cesar Montano at Sunshine Cruz in a matching embroidered pinya barong and terno.
Casually beautiful naman si Congresswoman Lucy Torres in a simple pink terno accentuated by Cattleya sa buhok.
At syempre pa, ang best accessory a girl can have, Richard Gomez, who was looking good!
Di rin naman nagpapahuli sa looks department sina Gary Valenciano in a black barong and Christian Bautista.
Hindi bagay!
What? Bagay naman sa kanya barong niya!
Hindi bagay sa nakabarong ang umunguya ng bubble gum.
Yun nga lang. At nandun rin ang paasiwan si Jet Madela. Jet, mainit ang barong?
Hot in the same frame ang sinasabang rivals, Ai de las Alas at Pokwang.
I was in a classy beige asymmetrical terno with floral accents na very at severe pusod. A look deserving of a BFF of Chris Aquino.
While Pokwang was wearing ang imeldific hairdo at white very busy terno na may lace, may embroidery, may chenes.
Now you see kung sino ang comedy queen at sino ang princess lang.
And then there was Gretchen Barreto in a mamahaling naglalaba lang ako sa batisan-inspired Barot Saya.
At syempre naglalaba siya with strings and strings of pearls na may bouquet pa. Ikakasal ka ate, eksenadora diba?
Princess of Exenadora lang dahil ito na ang queen among the Aquino sister in gown of very staid yellow. Princess of Exenadora lang dahil ito na ang queen among the Aquino sister in gown of very staid yellow. Appear ang Chris in highlighter yellow with color-coordinated yayo on the side.
Ayaw kasi niya magpapansin kasi araw ito ni Pinoy.
Ayaw pa niya niyan ha, close na nga ito.
Teka, may pahabol pa sina Jody Santa Maria at Bing Loizaga. Ano nangyari, girls? Late kayo?
I don't like any ambush interviews.
Ay, ganon. Sige, maglakad kayo dyan. Umalis na yung bus. Close to!
This is
The Big Bags Authority!